The most popular wireless backup camera for RVs isn't always the best fit for your rig. A lot of people just buy what's trending, but when you're backing up a 40-foot trailer in tight campgrounds or checking blind spots on mountain roads, the details actually matter. Let's cut through the noise and find what really works. Product number 1: V-Times 7-inch wireless system. This V-Times setup hits hard on value. Under $70 gets you a 7-inch HD monitor, wireless signal up to 984 feet, and IP69K waterproofing that laughs at mud, snow, and desert dust. The 1280x720 resolution isn't 4K, but it's sharp enough to spot a cooler left behind at a campsite or read a license plate from 20 feet back. Plus, it works with pre-wired Furrion systems, which saves hours of drilling if your RV's already set up. The quad-screen mode lets you add up to 4 cameras, so you can monitor sides, front, and rear, perfect for long trailers where blind spots are dangerous. And the BSD alert, it actually highlights people or objects in your blind zone and beeps to warn you. That's huge when kids or pets are near your rig. Now some people complain the default installation guide is confusing, especially pairing the camera to the monitor. Here's the thing though, once you power both on and hit the pairing button in the menu, it usually connects in under 10 seconds. It's not rocket science, just not super intuitive at first. Also, only one camera comes in the box, so if you want full coverage, you'll need to buy extras. Still, for under $70, this is a steal if you want solid performance without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable visibility and safety features like blind spot detection. Skip this one. If you need ultra-crisp night vision or plan to use it in extreme cold, the CMOS sensor can lag slightly in sub-zero temps. Product number 2: Furrion Vision S System. Furrion's Vision S is the name you see everywhere, and for good reason. It's built specifically for RVs with a sleek shark fin camera that looks factory installed and a 4.3-inch anti-glare monitor that doesn't blind you at night. The digital wireless signal holds strong up to 492 feet in open air, and unlike cheaper systems, there's zero lag, critical when you're backing down a narrow driveway at 5 mph. The IP65 rating means it shrugs off rain and road spray, and the infrared night vision gives you usable footage even when it's pitch black. Plus, it doubles as a security system. Motion detection wakes the screen, and the built-in mic picks up sounds like someone walking near your RV. That's peace of mind when you're parked in remote areas. Now some users report the monitor size feels too small, especially if you're used to bigger screens or have aging eyes. Here's the thing though, the compact size actually helps it blend into your dash without blocking your view, and the clarity is sharp enough to make out details. Also, it's not compatible with newer Vision S Plus models, so check your RV's setup first. At $167, it's pricier than budget options, but you're paying for reliability and seamless integration. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, OEM-style install and value security features. Skip this one if you need a large display or plan to add multiple cameras. It only supports one without extra adapters. Product number 3: BIGJADE Dual Camera DVR System. BIGJADE brings serious functionality with this dual camera DVR setup. 2 cameras included, 7-inch HD monitor, and full recording capability. The loop recording saves everything to an SD card, up to 256 GB, so if someone bumps your RV at a campground or you need evidence after an incident, it's all there. The wireless signal reaches 300 feet, and the IP69 rating means these cameras survive monsoons, pressure washes, and desert heat. Night vision is solid, with automatic IR that kicks in smoothly without blinding glare. And with support for up to 4 cameras, you can cover front, rear, and both sides, ideal for fifth wheels or long travel trailers. Now, some buyers mention the initial setup takes patience. Syncing both cameras and adjusting the guidelines isn't instant. Here's the thing though, once it's dialed in, it's rock solid. The system remembers your settings, and the split-screen view makes reversing feel effortless. At $180, it's not cheap, but you're getting pro-level features like DVR and multi-camera support that most RVs don't come with. This is perfect for you if you want full coverage and the ability to record your travels. Skip this one if you only need basic rear-view help. it's overkill for small campers. Product number 4. VKOOTO VK7 Solar Magnetic Camera. VKOOTO's VK7 is a game changer for renters or anyone who doesn't want to drill into their RV. The magnetic camera snaps onto any metal surface, hitch, bumper, tailgate, and holds tight even at highway speeds. No wires, no holes, just plug in the 7-inch touchscreen and go. That means you can leave it running while parked without draining your RV's house battery. The 1080p night vision is some of the clearest I've seen. You can actually identify a person standing 30 feet away in total darkness. And the touchscreen makes playback and settings adjustments feel modern and intuitive. Now, some users say the magnetic mount can slip on rough terrain if the surface isn't perfectly clean. Here's the thing though, VKOOTO includes a free metal plate for aluminum or fiberglass bodies, and a quick wipe with alcohol ensures a strong hold. Also, the camera needs a manual power on the first time, it doesn't auto-sync immediately. Once that's done though, it wakes with the monitor every time. At $232, it's the priciest here, but the convenience and battery life justify it for full-timers or boondockers. This is perfect for you if you want zero-install freedom and long-term off-grid use. Skip this one if you prefer hardwired reliability or don't need solar charging. Product number 5. Haloview 5-inch Solar Magnetic Camera. Haloview delivers simplicity and smart power management with this compact 5-inch system. The magnetic camera attaches in seconds, the monitor runs on suction cup mount, and the 10,000 mAh battery gives 18+ hours of runtime, plenty for overnight stops or weekend trips. Solar charging helps though it's slow, max 0.8 W, so you'll still want to plug in occasionally. The 150 degrees wide-angle lens and 10 IR LEDs give you a clear view day or night, and the dual split screen lets you add a second camera later if needed. It's not the sharpest image, but for backing up or checking blind spots, it's more than enough. Now, some reviewers note the wireless range drops to about 40 feet in real-world use, not the 300+ feet claimed. Here's the thing though, for most RVs, 40 feet is all you need to see behind you clearly, and the signal stays stable within that range, even around corners. At $116, it's a great middle ground between price and performance. This is perfect for you if you want easy setup, decent battery life, and don't need extreme range. Skip this one if you're towing a long trailer and need long-distance visibility, or plan to use it in heavy interference areas like busy campgrounds. So which one wins? If you want max value, go V-Times. Need factory-style integration? Furrien's your pick. For full coverage and recording, BIGJADE delivers. Want zero-install freedom? VKOOTO's solar system is unmatched. And if you need something simple and affordable, Haloview gets the job done. No single camera fits every RV, it's about matching features to your real-world needs. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward, I'll help you decide.